Hi, I'm Larry Lipsey, Senior Sales Manager here at INFiLED. We're debuting several of our new products, and probably our most exciting product that a lot of people are talking about is our Black Widow. The Black Widow is the most versatile touring product in the industry. It is both a 7/8 transparent product, but the modules are designed to easily remove and attach our 3.9 turbo modules. The turbo modules are an indoor-outdoor module with exceptional contrast, both in direct sunlight and at low brightness levels. The Black Widow has a carbon fiber climbable wind brace and an amazing dolly system that maximizes trek pack and minimizes setup time. As you can see that I'm standing on, the Black Widow also works as a stage deck and a dance floor. So it's considered the most versatile product in the industry, and I encourage you to stop by our booth and visit our website at infiled.com. That's INFiLED.com.